What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We going up, baby, on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you guys want to see me keep making this content and keep bringing videos to y'all, show me some love. So today for you guys, I got another performance mod for the car. I got this Diablo Predator P2 tuner. So guys, I told you in my previous video that I eventually was going to get a Diablo tuner. I planned on getting the one with the big screen. I think it's the Trinity T3. But I ended up coming across this one. I bought this one from a dude on Instagram who lives near me. So he sold it to me for $100. We're going to see what's up with it. So I figured that was a steal. This isn't the original one I wanted, but for that price, I couldn't beat it. So we're going to see what's up with this tuner. Hopefully we can throw it on the car, get it tuned, and then take it out for some driving to see if I feel a difference. According to Diablo, you should get like 20 to 25 horsepower from the tune. So I'm about to load up this tuner and see what's going on with it. I mean, I never did this before, so you guys are about to watch me as well. Got the tuner. It goes down here in the port right there. This thing should load up. I believe this is like one of the first models that they made. All right, so it says tune, scan, info. So we're gonna go to tune, turn ignition on, press OK. I'm gonna use my key for this, not the start button, just to be sure. So on, OK. Attempting. So we're gonna go down to Dodge. Pick the vehicle. That says 08 to 10 Challenger right here. So that's what we're gonna pick, but let me just keep looking. Okay, yeah. So it is that. 08 to 10 Challenger. Hopefully this works. Turn ignition on, do not start engine. It's on, isn't it? Oh, run, but do not start engine, okay. Standard tuning, custom tuning. We don't have custom, so we'll go standard. What's quick options? Oh. Tire size. Nah, let me not mess with it. We're just gonna keep it stock. I don't know what this is. It's not what I thought it was. So we're gonna go stock. Press OK. Exit. Gear ratio. Turn ignition off, okay. Tune. Turn ignition on. Okay, it's on. Just guess we're restarting. Standard. Tune vehicle. Calibration needs to be updated. Please update tuner. Alright, I gotta go inside and update the tuner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. I updated the tuner. It should work now because I updated it. Tune. Turn ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. Okay. Standard. Tune. Alright, we didn't see this before, so I went through so much doing this, literally, to get this thing to work. Because the dude told me that it was unlocked. Then I went to plug it in my car and it was locked. Now it's programming. I don't know how long this is going to take, so I'll get back to you guys when it's done programming. It's almost done. So I believe what it's doing is writing basically the stock tune that I have on right now into the computer so I can go back to it. Yeah, looks like it's writing the stock one into the system. I don't know how many more screens there's going to be before we can actually click the tune we want. Okay, I'm almost done this screen now. Transmission programming. Turn ignition off. Ignition is off. Okay. Turn ignition on. On. So hot outside. I feel like every video I do it at the hottest part of the day. Preparing the engine stock file for custom tuning. That was right. That was the stock. Diablo tune or 91 tune. The Diablo tune is the 93 one, so we're gonna do that one. Yeah, okay. Yes, I want to customize options. Throttle boost. Let's put it up to 10. And just see, that's halfway. Stock plus 10%. Yeah, we'll do that. Idle, park RPM. Let's do 200. Idle drive RPM. We'll do that 200 as well. Fan temp. Continue, I guess. Install the Diablo file, yes. Alright, baby. We're almost there. I don't know any of them options I picked. I guess you can't really do that much. Thought I was going to be able to do the 93 cold air intake one, but this is just for 93. Like I said, this is the first model Diablo Sport tuner, so they probably don't got all the features on this one that the new ones have, but this thing was only $100, dude. Couldn't beat it. Compared to the one I was going to buy for $700. I just hope I'm able to feel a little difference. Dang, I'm tired of these waiting screens, man. It should be done after this. Then I think it takes some time for the car to adjust to the tune, the PCM, and all that. When this happens, a bunch of lights flash up there, so if you're doing this, don't be alarmed if that happens. It's supposed to do that. Turn ignition off. Okay. Turn ignition on. Okay, ignition's on. I believe this is the last step. I'm probably gonna re-update this tune when I do some more research, what all those customization menus are and stuff. But for right now, I just wanted to see the difference that the tune will make. So yeah, I'm gonna fine tune it eventually. Probably do an update video. Diablo tune installed. Cool. All right, so the check engine light's on right now. So let's do a startup. Let's see if the check engine light's still there. Yeah, it was because the car was in the on. See, look, there's no light now. All right, bet. So now I'm about to go out on the road and I'm gonna give you guys some pulls and give you guys my thoughts, basically, and see if I feel anything different. Because we got the 93 tune now on the car, so we tuned. So I guess you could say now I got tune, intake, exhaust. That's the performance mods. I got a JLT intake, I got the custom straight pipe exhaust, and now I got the 93 tune on there. I'm gonna get back with you guys when I'm out on the road. Alright guys, I got my brother with me. About to take this thing for a little test and see if we see a difference. So the only thing I upped was the throttle, like the RPMs, in like 200 each. But I'm about to let the car warm up a little bit. I wish you could just do the modifications on the fly, so you didn't have to retune and go through all that. Let's go this way. Bad traffic. We didn't pick a good time to get out and do this. Listen, the idle's different. You hear the idle? It's kind of different. Hopefully we can get some open roads so we can do a little pull at least. Alright, we're going to be able to get one right here. running around right under 215. You can also change that. Fan temperatures. All right, we got one right here. Do a 40 roll. I feel like you have a split second where it's just like it lags. That's got to be a little quicker. I feel like it is. Yeah, it's got to be a little quicker. Yeah. Did you hear those pops? Pops are crazy, right? It's hard. That's strong. Definitely tell the difference, right? Accelerates a lot quicker. Got one last one. Yeah, car's running hot. Smell that? Yeah. Smells like burnt rubber. We're running dumb hot right now. Oh, pretty fast. I won't lie. Definitely picks up quicker. 100%. Yeah, guys. So it definitely picks up quicker, especially right off the bat. So we'll see if I can get some runs in on the weekend. I'll obviously film them and show you guys. I feel a little different, and he does too. I guess I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Diablo 93 tune is on the car. I'm enjoying it with my first drive. I'm enjoying it. Car feels a little faster. We'll see how it goes as I drive on the car day by day. I'm liking it. For $100, I'm liking it. We'll really see. I'm gonna do a 0 to 60 test eventually. As of right now, this car feels a little bit more responsive with the tune on it, to be honest with you. Like I said, guys, I'm probably gonna drive on this tune how it is right now for a couple days and see what I wanna change. And I amped up the RPMs when it was in idle, and I feel that and hear that a little bit. And I did it in drive, just up by 200. That's the only modifications I did. But other than that, it's just the standard 93 tune. Yeah, that's probably gonna wrap this video up. If you guys like the performance mods, smash the like button. Share this video with your friends. Like I said it before, we're trying to grow the fan base, so if you're rocking with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button for real. But other than that, stay tuned for the next video. This is SRT Dave, and I'm out.